Which is the largest biome on Earth covering vast expanses of northern coniferous forests?
Taiga.
The process of conversion of fertile land into arid deserts due to deforestation and overgrazing is called?
Desertification.
Which international convention held in 1971 in Iran is dedicated to the conservation and sustainable use of wetlands?
Ramsar Convention.
Which is the largest Ramsar wetland site in India located in West Bengal?
Sundarbans Wetland.
Which freshwater lake in Manipur is world famous for its floating islands called Phungdis?
Loktak Lake.
The international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out substances like CFCs is the
Montreal Protocol.
The Kyoto Protocol adopted in 1997 is an international agreement aimed at reducing which phenomenon?
Greenhouse gas emissions.
Which gas is the primary contributor to the natural greenhouse effect on Earth?
Water vapor.
Which ecosystem is often referred to as the lungs of the planet due to its massive oxygen generation?
Amazon rainforests.
The phenomenon of accumulation of non-biodegradable toxic substances at higher trophic levels in a food chain is called?
Biomagnification.
Which is the largest volcanic crater lake or caldera in the world located in Indonesia?
Lake Toba.
The line joining points on a map receiving equal amounts of rainfall is called an
Isohyet.
Which narrow marine passage separates Europe from Africa connecting the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea?
Strait of Gibraltar.
Which island is the largest island in the world by land area?
Greenland.
Which archipelago in the Indian Ocean is composed entirely of coral atolls?
Lakshadweep Islands.
The 10-degree channel separates which two island groups in India?
Andaman and Nicobar.
Which is the only active volcano in India located in the Andaman Sea?
Barren Island.
Which Indian state is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides?
Tripura.
The famous Nathula Pass connecting Sikkim with Tibet is situated in which mountain range?
Himalayan Range.
Which is the longest river in South India originating at Trimbakeshwar in Maharashtra?
Godavari.
The famous Tehri Dam, India's highest dam, is constructed on which river in Uttarakhand?
Bhagirathi.
Which city in Tamil Nadu is famously called the Detroit of Asia due to its massive automobile industry?
Chennai.
Which port in Gujarat was developed as the first major free trade zone CIS port in independent India?
Kandala.
According to the 2011 census, which Indian state recorded the highest literacy rate?
Kerala.
According to the 2011 census, which Indian state recorded the lowest sex ratio?
Haryana.